Spuntini. Hureka. Hureka. Sigo. Mahangin.
Look at these gooses.
Ah, yeah. Why they are in the middle of the road? I saw them this morning. Look at them. They are not going. Oh la la. Go away, go. Oh la la, mahangin. There are more there, smaller. Did you see the small gooses
Eh?
in the canal? The small
Yeah.
they are goose or another?
Water rulers.
Gooses or
Water frog. There are no duck, there are no goose, there are...
it's different. Not baby goose.
No, here we call it water rulers.
Itik.
Water rulers.
Yeah. Baby, we stop. We stop, I said.
Yeah, but in the sun.
Ah.
Right, a little further it will be wet. I think
Ayun, huminto tayo sandali dahil may nakita tayo. Mga malalaking kabayo, guys. Tingnan nyo, ang gaganda ng kulay. Ayun. Ayun. Hapon na, kaya nandito na sila sa labas para kumain ng maraming grasses. So, maliban sa mga grasses na namumulaklak, etong mga to, yan ang mga nagpapaganda sa daan. Ayan. Ayan, oh. O, diba? Ang ganda ng ating pinapasyalan, guys. Dito tayo sa bukid. Merong bahay dyan, oh. Pero, dito naman sa kaliwa natin, mais. Ayan, ang gaganda ng mais dito, guys. Yan. Oh. O, diba? So, ayun. Tuloy natin yung ating pamamasyal gamit ang ating bike. Yung isa doon nakadamit. Look at why he has look, lusog niya, guys. Oh, nagmamuscle. Look at their muscles. Oh, this is a woman, a female. Yeah, this one she's bigger, so big. Yeah, okay, let's go. Now it's okay, so we can go. I am coming. So, let's go ulit. Tuloy natin yung ating pagbabike, guys. Ayun, so, oras, siguro gumaganon yung horse. So, ayun, check natin yung oras. Siguro, malapit nang mag alas 7 ng hapon. Sasabihin kong hapon dahil alas 7 dito, guys, ay mataas pa yung araw. Bale, lumulubog ang araw dito sa Belgium mga alas 10 ng gabi. Ayun, what is this? Tinuturo ni Kuya yung tanim dito sa kanan ko, hindi ko mapakita. Ayun, kanan, kaliwa, makikita natin. Mais. Oh, look at the mais. They are already.
1 week, 2 weeks.
Yeah. Yeah. They really like the sun and water. Rain and sun. But I don't know this one on the right. What plant is this? Oh, another horses. Doon, guys, ang dami naman ng mga horse. Oh, mayayaman sila dito. Ang gaganda ng mga horses nila. Maliban sa horses, dito sa kaliwa at kanan natin, mga yellow na bulaklak ng mga damo. Magaganda sila, guys. Ayun, meron tayong makakasalubong na nakasakay ng kabayo. Ayun. Wow, ang ganda ng dalaga na nakasakay sa kabayo. Kasama ang kanyang lola. Madaming kabayo dito sa area na to, guys. Oh, sa kanan, ayun, nagpapahinga yung mga baka. Oh, they are full, so it's time to rest in the shadow of the trees. Another 2 horses over there. They are a little bit white. Oh, mahangin. You can see from your side mirror. A little bit cold here and naglalakad dito, guys. Kahit mag-isa ka lang maglalakad, tapos naka headset or naka earphone, ang ganda ng mga hobby nila dito. Importante sa kanila yung paglalakad maliban sa pagbabike. Yun talaga yung relaxation ng mga tao dito. Gaya namin, kakatapos lang namin kumain ng dinner. Alas 6 ang dinner namin dito, guys. Mostly people dito, alas 6. Dito sa Belgium, dinner nila alas 6. So, yun. Naka-dinner na kami. medyo pinababa namin konti yung kinain. Lumarga kami mga ano siguro 6:30, 6:40 ganon. So ngayon gaya ng sabi ko, siguro alas 7 na ngayon. Oh, purple na mga bulaklak. This yellow flower are now new in this month. Yeah, this one. Yeah,
Now
the
before
buttercups.
they are all
Yeah, the buttercups are gone, and now this another yellow. But I don't know the name of this. Later on, we will take and we bring home. Yes? I don't have the bag. Maliban dito sa mga puti na ito. Yan.
this week we have time. You need to bring a bag.
Yeah, I did not bring my bike bag. If like this, I can capture you. But when I go, I left behind. I cannot.
Yeah, you need a bag. It's not easy.
Yeah,
And something scissors.
yeah. So my
They are too long. You
Yeah.
need to cut them.
yeah. So my bag must be always here in my bike. I don't bring it up in the house. Dito kakaliwa tayo. Dito, oh, manok. It's a manok. Yapat. Yapat. Kakaliwa ulit tayo. Kakaliwa daw tayo. May nagvi-vision guys. Dito tayo sa kanan. Namimingwit sila. Yan. Dito pwede mamingwit. Oh, the water is high. So they can fish. Yeah, the water is high. When it's high, it cleans. It become clean. When it's small water, low water.
Like last week, it was not good when it's lower with the heat.
Yeah.
That's why they put it higher. When
Ah,
they can.
yeah. Correct. I met Mary Jane this morning. Magbebel tayo tuwing dumadaan tayo sa ilalim ng tulay o kaya sa tunnel para makapag ready yung kasalubong natin kung meron man tayong makakasalubong. Yan, yeah. I like under the sun. It's not cold. Ayan, meron uling nakabike.
We cannot go over the bridge. Then you could ride in the sun.
Say again?
To take the bridge and then
Ah,
ride in the sun, but
yeah.
you cannot.
How, when it will be open?
I wish I knew.
Yeah, the cover is still there.
How much percent you have?
30%. And now the orange color is now coming out, showing up like AQ 30%.
Always go to 15 or 10% and then charge.
30%. Because I'm not looking anymore how much I ride every time I ride. Normally I must check it. Oh,
Yeah, that was a
stone.
wood or a stone.
Uh-huh.
Never mind. But these tires are super really strong.
Baby, I heard. Yeah. He's speaking of food. I heard from a man who is on YouTube. He say it is necessary to put air in your electric bike.
What he mean with air in your electric bike?
Air on your wheel. Air pressure.
Of course. Look at the pressure. They are 6 kilo.
Which one?
And your bike has just been in the shop, so he checked this pressure.
I talk about electric bike. I talk about our Norta bike. So
Because your tires, after time, lose pressure.
yes, that's what he say.
But that's minimum, you know. In a car, it's maybe a little more, I'm not sure.
And like us, we always come for a ride. Oh yes. The area is clean, so they need to transfer. That's the good thing during summer because they don't need to cut the grasses. They let the cow eat the grasses. They eat and then they clean. Yeah, very nice. He say
Nature has everything.
no laway makan.
They're not
The bird.
eat alles.
Only me can shout quack quack quack. Only the bird can shout, not the people.
Probably from the store.
Oh yeah, it's so big. It's good. It's good. Yeah, it's good. Nobody is passing by when the tree.
Now they are here. See?
Uh-huh.
When it's
Ah.
really hot, they lay here out of the sun.
Yeah, they transfer them.
And now they go gray.
Yeah, because it's cold here.
Yeah, the cold, the sun is not so strong anymore. And
Yeah.
then they go eat.
Yeah.
Animals are clever, you know.
Yeah, they know what to do. Yeah, the fat cows. Hindi na tayo hihinto. Oh, these are younger. There is one male. I saw the male. Oh, oh, what's that? I think it's a big duck, a big bird. Yeah, he really make a big noise on the water. They are about to bloom. That's why their color is like that. I think not yet. Not yet to bloom. They are very green. Ang ganda nila, guys. Ang ganda. Oh, he is big. Yeah. He is alone. Dito marami kang makikita pag nagbabike kami. We love nature. Mahirap mamasyal sa syudad. Marami kang makakasalubong. Hindi mo ma-enjoy magpedal. Yan. Ganyan. Ganyan si kuya. Ganyan siya magpedal. O, napaka-easy lang. Para ka lang, gaya ko, tinan yun. Pedal, 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 pedal. Ang bilis ko. 25. Maybe I'm running 23 kilometers per hour. Another branch that fall down here. Branches. Yeah. During the another one here also. Storm, yeah, last week. Mais. Sarap magpedal. Tut. We gonna cross this street. Suspension bridge. Yung pag may dumadaan na bangka or ano man, umaangat yung bridge na yan. Oh, there is a duck on the river, on the canal. Swimming, the duck is swimming. It's a bird. Oh, they are bird. Tumutuwad sila na kumukuha ng pagkain. Siguro may mga fish. Paspasan natin. Kasi pag lumalayo ako, nadidisconnect si kuya. Look. That branches fall on the mais.
You remember they were riding the bike here?
Yeah. Will they pay if they use?
The farmer,
Or maybe it's their
they
own.
plow the land, they can use. If they know the farmer say it's okay.
Good. That's good. Ulala. Dito bumubukol yung mga ugat ng kahoy eh. Yan, nakasanayan ko na yan. Basta pag may malaking puno na ganyan, dumadaan sa ilalim ng kalsada eh umuumbok. Kaya kailangan ng konting alerto at ingat. Oh, there are so many. You see them? There. Many birds. Marami silang nakukuhang pagkain doon. Aba, ang bilis ng aking kuya. Kunti lang siya magpedal pero mabilis. Parehas kami pero medyo mas mataas yung kalidad ng kanya. Dahil pang lalaki talaga. Ito pang babae naman. Yung akin. Oh, again there are many here. Oh, this is really their home. Nandito tayo sa ilalim ng tulay. Nadadaanan din natin ito pag pumunta tayo ng dyan banda sa Iklo. Yan ang daan natin. Talagang binilisan niya. Gusto niya akong tumakbo ng mabilis. Yan. Siguro against the light tayo. Pero mas maganda dito sa maaraw. Kasi doon sa ilalim ng mga puno guys, malamig. Dito mas okay. Pero kaninang tanghali sobrang init talaga. Makapaksot. So, siya kakabsat kat naksot ako. Kasat nga na nayanak pero mas lalong na naksot sa init. Sa pagbabike ko pag lumilipat ako ng trabaho. Ayun, binilisan niya talaga. And then, hihinto. Ayun, hihinto daw kami. Ayun, huminto tayo. Yun, kaya't nagkagkag kabsat ko. Yun, kagkag kastati Belgian guys. So ayun. Oh, I wish dati buttercups yung lagi kong binabanggit sa mga video ko. Ngayon hindi na siya buttercups guys. Oh, ganito naman siya. Sa panahon ngayon malapit ng July. 2 araw na lang July na. Ganito ang ang mga bulaklak ngayon. Meron ding puti. Pero na to malapit na silang mawala. Hindi na panahon. Ayan guys, ayan. Puting-puti ito dati. Kaso paano na siya? Malapit nang matuyo. Ayan. Pati dun. We go? It's hard. Sell.
Yours is softer than mine. You have more than me. Look,
Yeah. Look, you can see.
it's even
Yeah.
thinner mine.
Thinner, that's why. I have
I feel.
Oh, Tanker. Hooktra, European Logistics. Yeah?
This one comes from the harbor, Zeebrugge.
Yeah. Yes.
Oh.
So,
You have the key from the house?
yeah, it's in my pocket. Yan. Yung mga Lalaking truck na galing dyan.
All the same now.
Galing ng
Only
Sibra.
yellow ones and the white.
Yeah, those are the there on the yeah.
Oh, there's a bee. Shoo.
Takot sabihin.
Yeah. Lucy, these are even smaller. They need,
Yeah, they will
they
grow.
will grow.
Uh-huh. Like there, they are tall over the
Maybe
yellow.
that's the rabbit food. This one.
The rabbit food.
This one.
People have food also. That's very
Yeah,
good.
you can eat.
Yeah.
This one. I think there's a little tree. But I don't know which tree, but and there you see the purple one. But you don't see them here. Look.
Yeah,
they're-
yeah, yeah. That's
Always
for
there down.
where the water is. I think.
Ah,
Yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. They are nice there. Mga purple guys. Oh, ayun oh. Tingnan natin. Yeah. Yeah, nandiyan oh mga purple dyan sa baba. Kasi kanal yan eh. Kanal. Diyan yung mga purple dyan. Tapos, ayun oh, marami sila oh. Ayun, galing ng Sibra ho yan. Mga maraming sasakyan na ikinarga sa malaking truck. Ayun yung purple flower. Pero hindi tayo makababa kasi malalim yung kanal. Because I don't have the bag, I cannot take flowers.
well, you need a cutter because I think you cannot.
Cut
This
with
one easily.
Yeah.
Yeah, you need a cutter.
That's
Look out at that corn, baby.
mm-mm,
In 1 week or 2 weeks, you cannot see there.
mm-hmm,
Even this one is even higher.
yeah. Many corn. But you don't eat corn here. You don't eat corn?
No,
You
they-
don't like corn?
actually,
Yeah, I know.
for
But us, we
the
eat
cows.
corn.
That's all for the cows.